Oh, hey Horace, didn't expect you there.
Oh, hello, Mitten. How are you doing recently?
Alright, but I do miss Winnie. I mean, it's been a week since she's withdrawn and, Mitten, it's alright. You don't need to blame yourself. I just do, Horace. I just feel like ever since Winnie's gone, it's been my fault and my fault alone. You know Winnie would be proud of you right now. Seeing you go through like this. She would be glad for you. And remember, I'm here for you. We Wellsworth and Suddery Engines need to stick together at these times. Thank you, Horace. It means a lot. I'm really glad of you being my friend throughout all of this. And be careful, alright? There's a speed restriction going on. I'll keep that into mind, Mitten. And remember, if you want to talk to me, come to Sudbury. I am happy to listen to you. Oh, I must go now. Toodaloo.